morning, everyone. I'm not sure why I said that three times, but maybe because BIOA looks like it's absolutely about to break out here. So let's get to it. BIOA has done something that it's done in the past in the last day. It's called a breakout here on many different indicators. We've got a breakout here on the percent range, breakout here on the on-bounce volume, breakout here about to be on the 4-hour chart. Huge, huge hollow green candle showing that buyers are in control, not sellers. The only sellers that are in control are the ones getting their margin accounts blown up from shorting this. One thing that I am noticing immediately here is the downtick and the convergence, essentially, of the VI red towards the VI blue. This typically is showing us that essentially, as the downtrend exhausts and the uptrend is starting to confirm, this red starts to cross the blue here. Now, we can also show that the on-bounce volume is ticking up here as well. So this break, this red line here, would really be the main break of another breakout. So that can happen today. Would not be shocked. The main difference between this time and last time is that we have kind of gotten to the next level on the 2-hour. So then when we go to the 4-hour, we know that this is the next resistance area to break. And based on this looks like that will not be a problem. Obviously, anytime you're doing charting, you need to look at multiple time frames. So we've got the 2-hour here, the 4-hour here, and then let's take a look at the weekly. That looks pretty good. Weekly is absolutely looks like it's about to rocket here. Not only can we see that from the candles by the hollow green candles showing buyers in control here, but also the on-bounce volume is absolutely exploding from the low down here. One thing that is also important to note, Doji at the very bottom of this trend was what started this whole party for the Kuba crew. It's great to get in the 60s, but everyone in the subscription has been in for quite some time. Conglomerately, or however the hell you say that word, we have well over 2 million shares. So those shares are probably not going to get sold today, and if they are, it's just going to be some people trying to take some profits. I personally am not selling one share of my 84,500 shares. So, everyone's free to do what they want. I personally see the gap filling at 96 cents, so that is what my first price target is. My first price target really is 75 cents because that is where the recent offering was, and that is where some warrants are priced at. However, 96 cents is the true top of the gap here. So if this breaks with volume, however, everything is contingent on volume. If there's no volume today, this isn't going to break. It's as simple as that. However, the fact that we had buyers in control throughout the entire period yesterday shows us that this could possibly take the next leg up. Another thing, this is a solid green candle. This shows that sellers were in control in this time period. This time period, buyers are now in control. So this is the difference between the status quo here and the status quo here. If you look at the European markets, in Berlin, BIOA is up like 38%. Now, it does have to catch up from yesterday's move, but yesterday's move was only 14%. So just doing the math here, it looks like this is probably likely going to hit at least 75 cents today. As I mentioned, anything's possible in the market. If volume doesn't come in and sellers take over, then this will drop. Simple supply and demand is supply outpaces demand. That's when you're going to see a drop in price. When demand outpaces supply, that's when you're going to see an increase in price. So all in all, I do see this continuing today. Nothing is guaranteed. So I do have my shares below 50 cents. So if this takes a little dip to 60, 61, great. I'm not too worried about it. I'll just be sitting here at home enjoying the day, and hopefully everyone else will be too. It is the weekend coming up. This is a video I wanted to share with everyone so they can get an idea if this is something maybe you're interested in. I do these types of videos for the Kuba crew twice or 3 times a week. So if you are interested in joining, please go to the link in my profile on StockTwits, and you will be taken to the page that you can create an account on Equity Swing. And really, thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully everyone has a great Friday. Just wanted to share this because there are a lot of people that like to short this stock that I wouldn't say that's the smartest idea, especially considering the fundamentals too. Everyone has to do their own fundamental DD, but this is clearly underpriced here, and this is why we have been loading since 35. So obviously, we made the trade to 35, took some profits, reloaded, and now everyone's up again. I don't think everyone's done being up because, like I said, I think this is going to 96 cents. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but the general direction of this stock is clearly up as we look here on the weekly. Once again, guys, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my subscribers that have already paid, and whether you are a monthly or yearly member, thank you so much. Really appreciate your business. And anyone new that decides to join, thank you so much for joining. And we look forward to having you guys in the community. Thanks so much.